Here's a little secret that many candidates are not aware of. Different question types in Task 1 and Task 2 of IELTS writing require different paragraph structures. And guess what? This is the key to unlocking that high score you've been dreaming of. Today, our focus will be on Task 2 and its structure. Without any further delay, let's kick off this extraordinary video. In the past, shopping was a routine domestic task. Many people nowadays regard it as a hobby. To what extent do you think this is a positive trend? Okay guys, as you see here, we have the question statement and then a question which is asking about our idea, saying, to what extent do you think this is a positive trend? Obviously, this is an opinion question. This means that we should dedicate at least 4 paragraphs to this writing. First of all, you have the introduction paragraph, then body paragraph 1, body paragraph 2, and finally the conclusion. Let's now start with the introduction paragraph. Nowadays, shopping is classified as an entertainment, while it was a routine task in the past. I personally agree with this idea due to its useful effects. I believe that firstly, it can be introduced as an entertaining alternative in our leisure time, and secondly, small businesses can improve financially. As you see in the introduction paragraph, the very first sentence is the paraphrasing of the question statement. Then we have directly mentioned that we agree with this idea, saying, I personally agree with this idea due to its useful effects. The next step is to give at least 2 reasons on why we agree. So we have mentioned those 2 in the following sentence, but we have given no details as they should go in the body paragraphs. Firstly, the environment of some shopping centers is designed for individuals to spend their free time there becoming more relaxed. This is an indisputable fact that the science of intellectual psychology is applied in these places to provide a tranquilizing atmosphere for the consumers, which can present it as a suitable area to spend the day. In addition, a majority of customers are using the moment of their purchase as a tool to communicate with other people or with their loved ones, while they are interacting with the convenient part. For example, a research carried out in California in 2018 showed that 96% of the people who spent at least 1 hour of their time in a shopping mall felt more relaxed and happier compared to the ones who had been working 24/7 and had not gotten the chance to go shopping after a long day at work. Here in the first body paragraph, we have gotten into detail of the first reason why we agreed, which was how this trend can be an entertaining alternative in people's leisure time. So in the first sentence of the paragraph, which is the topic sentence, we have clearly mentioned it. And then in the next sentences, we have given some more explanation and finally an example by using the appropriate expressions to show each of them. Now the next paragraph. Moreover, this trend helps small businesses and stores to get more mass by customers' reviews. That is to say, supporting this local store will make unemployed citizens have more job opportunities to work, and it will decline the percentages of homeless people. Besides, this kind of support will lead to the presence of small businesses in the social media, which will positively impact their financial progress, plus the government's. For instance, according to a small business research in the University of California, during the pandemic time, many small startups that are sold online have increased their profit by 100% per year. Here in the second body paragraph, we have gotten into detail of the second reason why we agreed, which was how this trend can help small businesses grow financially. So in the first sentence of the paragraph, which is the topic sentence, we have clearly mentioned it. And then in the following sentences, we give more explanation and finally an example by using some good, proper expressions for each of them. And now the conclusion paragraph. In conclusion, by considering the mentioned reasons, using the prepared environment and facilities in the mall centers, and helping the small business and providing better job opportunities, I finally agree that the considered movement is beneficial. Finally, in the conclusion paragraph, we have concluded all the mentioned details throughout the essay by paraphrasing what we had already mentioned in the introduction paragraph. Very well, guys. In this video, we took a look at a task 2 writing and learned in details how we should write it in order to get our desired result. You can also write your own writing, send it to our examiners, and get a comprehensive feedback on it, plus your scoring niche criteria. You can take a look at the link we have put in the video description. Stay tuned for the next videos and can't wait to see you very soon.
Hello everybody! Do you want to know what band score you will get in your IELTS writing? Do you also need to know how to improve your writing skills for the real test? We've got the solution for you in Ross IELTS Academy. Send us your writings. We'll check them out thoroughly in less than 36 hours. You'll get the band score along with comprehensive feedback in both written and video format. It's your time to become our next successful candidates.